Okay, I'm gonna do a quick review on Gossner's Foods 1% low-fat milk. This is shelf stable milk, and it's the 1 quart size. I've been using this stuff probably 6-7 years now. It's this is something you can keep on your shelves or in your cabinet somewhere, and you don't have to put it in a refrigerator until you open it. If you want big cereal or something where you want a cold glass of milk, you might want to stick it in the fridge an hour or two before you want to use it to get it cold. I've used it with cereals, cooking, baking, just pretty right as a regular milk to drink. Pretty much like you would normally use milk you buy in the dairy department. And it's pretty good little milk. What I like about it is it's shelf stable. You can keep it on. You don't have to keep it in the refrigerator put it in the refrigerator until you open it or you get ready to use it. So you don't have to worry about being spoiled. We just recently bought this, and sell by date's October 11th next year. July 10th next year. So it's good for October, so it's good for another 10 months at least. It's got your little pull tab here. Pull out the little solvent thing there to open it up and use it. And it's just like regular milk. You buy in your dairy department, your local stores, your supermarkets. Use it for cooking cereal or just regular milk. Handy to have to keep these on hand just in case run out of milk and kids want cereal or you need some milk for whatever you're cooking, and for like running the store just get a gallon of milk. It's come in pretty handy. It's pretty good. Gossner's is pretty good little milk. Pretty good little product. This is Gossner's 1% low-fat shelf stable milk that you can buy in the store.